Welcome to Naples.
You know, man, you gotta love the rain. Just getting soaked out here. This is a church here. Pretty good, huh? This is fried pizza.
We're talking about our poncho investment that we're about to make.
You know, we probably should get a poncho. That's not a bad idea.
That would be a good karaoke.
Man, you just gotta love the rain, dude.
It's a little windy out here today. It's not even that bad.
Damn.
That's the church where the...
You're fucking right, man. It's windy. They're coming in. They're coming in. They're coming in. Get to the cannon. Get to the cannon. It's just a little windy, guys. Just a little bit. Time here in Naples.
Pronto? 1, 2, 1, vai. Forza Napoli. Va bene. 1, 2, 1, vai, forza Napoli.
Oh,
It's actually pretty good.
that was good. Grazie. Alright, you guys enjoy the umbrella, but I'm just gonna run for it, alright? What the fuck? Yo. Give me cover. Give me cover. Run. Yo, run. Right here. That one. Oh my god. I am so Alright, this is the world's first pizzeria. Alright, so this is the world's oldest pizzeria. Like actually check this out.
Candy stick.
1738, that's crazy. This pizza was it €5? I think it's €5.
Yeah.
But the world's oldest pizzeria is crazy.
Okay.
Here we go. This is where pizza started.
Are we doing this together?
We're doing this?
Channel now. We review
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
It's almost like they've been cooking this for 300 years. Really good.
Do you guys like it over here?
So good.
So good? Alright, if any of you people back at home know me, you know that I like to eat, right? This is the second pizza because this is, this is the, where pizza started basically. So I had to get a second pizza. Don't judge me. This is,
I'm still on my first.
he's still on his first.
Dude, I don't understand how this kid is like a black hole. I don't get it.
What's your voice? This is the best pizza I've ever had. I can't record videos. Yeah, we can't record videos here. But we're going to anyways. This is the underground of Naples. Shh.
Alright, here we go.
Go in, Jack. I need a light, dude.
Oh, we're getting tight in here.
Dude. This is like a... This is crazy. Oh, my hips, dude. I probably should have taken off the backpack.
Dude, you're going sideways. You gotta go.
This is tight, man. Oh, wow. That thing goes up high, man.
Ooh.
Any words of wisdom?
Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment. Comment, what's your favorite kind of
How about pizza?
What's your favorite kind
Because
of pizza?
we're in
We're
Naples.
in Naples, great shot. Yeah.
My favorite kind of pizza is pizza flavored pizza.
Ah, there we go.
I gotta word some words of wisdom. Quote by famous samurai Miyamoto Musashi, right?
Oi.
Think lightly of yourself, deeply of the world. Amen.
All right, that's a wrap. See ya.